Today we're looking at part number 3.5/UBLTKT. This is your 3.5 inch U-bolt kit for 8,000 pound axles that have the 3.5 inch round tube on it. So this 3.5 inch U-bolt kit comes with the 4 U-bolts and the 2 tie plates. So this U-bolt kit does 1 axle because you need 4 U-bolts and 2 tie plates per axle. So these U-bolts right here, they're 9/16 thick, 8 inches long from inner diameter to end, and 3.5 inches inner diameter wide, of course. And they come with the nuts and the washers on them. And then you got your tie plates right here. They're 7 inches by 4 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick steel on them, pretty heavy duty. And this would be your complete U-bolt kit for 1 axle for 8,000 pound axles, 3.5 inch tubes. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.